Hello guys, how are you? Back here again. How to choose the light supplier. Today we will discuss how to choose the light movable partition wall supplier from internet. And firstly, you need to choose the light exact manufacturer, the goods ready, and we will put the shipping mark. Use the carton paper package. And the top is the aluminum sealing check, shows here and easy for our production. So back here again, and this is our movable partition wall factory. You can see these panels are ready to be loading container, and we will put the shipping mark here. Use the carton paper package, and finally loading here. All the panels now it's loading to container. All the panels loading to the container. Put the panels to the container one by one. All the movable partition wall panels have different systems: double roller, single roller, and curved connectors, 19-degree connectors. For the partition panels surface material, we always support customized fabric, peel leather, high pressure laminate, melamine, wallpaper, and so on. This is the curved connectors, and it's always for the higher panels height. For example, the higher more than 4 meter, 5 meter, 6 meter, or more than 10 meters. We usually support these curved connectors. It will easy operate. We are the real manufacturer of mobile partition wall based in China. Factory price directly, no middleman. We are always support customized for the dimensions, surface material, and packing design. If you are also looking for mobile partition wall for your space management, any questions, welcome to contact me at any time. For quote, for the design, for loading, for shipping, for any questions, you are focused. This panel is very heavy, almost 6 meters length, 1.1 meter width, 100 millimeter thickness. Finally, everything loading here. All the panels, all the goods, the checks, everything here, finish loading.